Hello students, today we are going to start class first subject moral science chapter 5. What is the good word? Long ago in Indonesia lived Si Kabian who loved to play with words. Once his friend said, "Sing me a song." So Si Kabian droned, "Sa re sa ra sa re." "That's not good," cried his friend. "I want something gentle on the ear." "Try chicken feathers, they will be gentle," said Si Kabian. "Tell me a story then," said the friend. "Something long?" asked Si Kabian. "Yes." "A road," said "See, you useless fellow," roared his friend. "Something short then," asked Si Kabian. "Yes, yes, yes." An ant cried. "Si Kabian," his friend said, "you think you are smart with words. Ants can talk better than you. They have no ears. Some of them don't even have eyes. How do they manage a sea?" Ants listen by feeling the vibration from the ground. They feel through their feet. Eyeless ants, such as the driver ants, communicate by using their antenna, so they are smarter in communication than you are. She was ashamed of making fun and decided to use the power of communicate better. So here this story is telling that the one boy who is living in Indonesia and his name is Si Kabian and he is playing with the words. Once his friend said, "Sing a song." So उसके फ्रेंड ने बोला कि मेरे लिए गाना गाओ. तो then he starts singing sari sara sari, but his friends tell him that is not good for listening my ears. So I want some gentle song. So that friend tell, "If you can't sing the song, just tell me the story." So here that friend start the story and tell a word, "A road," said C. But when his friend listened that word road, so he said to him his that "You useless fellow," roared his friend. Something so that her friend tell me some short story. So the Kabian tell that yes, yes, yes. Now the ant grinned. Here the entry of ant. So अब यहाँ पे किसकी बात हो रही है? आंट की बात हो रही है. So you think you are smart. Her friend telling to him that you are smart with words. Ant can talk better than you and they have no ears. वो बोल रहा है तुम तो वर्ड से खेलते हो बट तुमसे अच्छे तो आंट्स, चींटी जो होती है वो बेटर तुमसे है, बिकॉज दे हैव नो ईयर्स, सम ऑफ दैम डोंट इवन हैव आईज. सो आंट के पास ना तो ईयर होते हैं फॉर हियरिंग द वॉइस एंड नॉट सम ऑफ दैम डोंट इवन हैव आईज. बट हाउ दे मैनेज? Ant listen by feeling the vibration from the ground. So the vibration coming from the ground, they feel that sound and react. They feel through their feet and they feel from their feet. And eyeless ants, such as driver ants, so those who have eyes, they driver ants to communicate by their antennas. So they have their small antennas so they can communicate. So they are smarter in communication than you are. So that's why he is smarter communication than you. So here that boy, she was ashamed of making fun and decided to use the power of communication better. Now we have completed the chapter. Now come to the speaking tree. Solving this first question, what has one eye but cannot see, is needle, and the spelling is Needle. Second, what need to be broken before you use it, is egg, and the spelling EGG, egg. Now third, what is as light as feather but cannot be held even by a strong man for a 1 minute, is breath, and the spelling BREATH. Fourth one, what has a neck but no head, is bottle, and the spelling BOTTLE. Fifth one, I am full of keys but I can't open any door, is piano, and the spelling PAINO, piano. Here Bacon, Carl von Finch is best known for two major discoveries about honey bees. He found that they have color vision. They use a dance language to communicate about the place of food to the other bee. So here he telling that the bees are communicate to by the dance language to one bee to another bee. So here we have completed chapter 5. Thank you.